How to set custom alarm tone on your Android phone using any song or MP3 file. Let's get started. First, make sure the audio file you want to use is already saved on your phone. If you don't have one yet, you can download a ringtone, music file, or any sound effect from a trusted website and save it to your device. Now, open the Clock app and tap the plus sign to create a new alarm, or simply edit an existing one. Next, tap Alarm Sound or Ringtone, depending on your Android version. Then tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add your own audio file. Now, browse to the folder where your downloaded song is stored, such as the Downloads folder, and select the file you want to use. Once you've chosen it, tap Done or OK. You'll now see your custom sound selected as the alarm tone, and tap Save. That's it! From now on, your Android alarm will play your selected custom song instead of the default ringtone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Get Assist, and turn on the notification bell for more Android tips and step-by-step tutorials.